making noise, by the way.
Was I?
Yeah. Still are. It's a sap. It's not. Oh, someone to our left. Sheet metal.
He's on roof. He's on roof.
He's on the roof.
The rating, beautiful. Where'd you go?
Oh, guy right above me. Killed him.
Shot him. He's dead.
Alright, I'm gonna loot this guy. Where's gun go? Where'd your gun go, bud? You kill him?
Another one. Yep. Low.
I killed one?
Oh, behind us in the other door. His base. Fuck, 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 fuck. We're getting sandwiched. And I'm low. That's one.
Killed two?
Kill the black one in front of the space.
Killed three?
It's about to come out, I think. Gun did he? Where? Have you?
Let's ladder up there. Let's ladder up there. Come on. I don't have a lot of ammo. We gotta do this quick.
You need pistol? Or 5.5?
I need 5.5. Alright, let's go. Let's ladder up. Let's ladder up. I killed an Arctic on top of here. I also killed this hazmat. Cover me while I loot this hazmat. It's just DB. I heard door open.
No gun?
Nail gun.
This is a solo.
Yeah.
I'm low. Fuck. 32.
Oh my god! I almost just got pumped.